Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by making sure your devices are paired and updated. This avoids layout glitches. Open the Watch app on your iPhone or press the digital crown on the watch to reach the home screen. Once there, decide whether you want the grid honeycomb or list view. Grid shows app icons visually, list presents alphabetical names. Make this choice now so the next steps apply correctly to the view you prefer. Now change the view. In the Watch app, go to My Watch, then App View or App Layout depending on your iOS version. Tap App View and select Grid or List. This immediately toggles how apps display. Once selected, press Edit on the Watch home screen or drag icons inside the app layout on the iPhone to place high-use apps near the center or top. You're arranging for speed, put the apps you open most often where finish by pressing the digital crown to exit edit mode and lock in the new layout. If icons don't move or the view reverts, restart the Watch and your iPhone first. This resolves most sync hiccups. If problems persist, make sure both devices run compatible Watch OS and iOS versions and confirm pairing is active. As a quick tip, unpairing and repairing will rebuild the layout from scratch. Use that only if
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.